I've worked a lot of different types of production facilities throughout my career, both here and other companies, and to see something to this magnitude is just crazy. It's wild to see this level of production out of an industrial setting in a penitentiary. I've always enjoyed creating, so that's always been my passion. And again, that's one thing that I really enjoy is I get to go from ordering the material and then it gets here and seeing these individuals produce a product that others can use. But what really beats that is I get to teach a skill to someone that I really think that they could use when they get out. So it could potentially get them a job that is going to support them. And it's something that we taught them. It's not just me, it's my team, it's other individuals that are showing them how to be successful. They take pride in their work, and so they're ready to grind and get to work. That way they can meet our goals, and they are goal oriented. I never would have thought that this would be a place where so many individuals care about finishing what they started. You have to develop a work relationship with these individuals, because if you don't build that trust, if you can't have that working relationship to go up to them and say, hey, we're looking at this and it's not quite right, what can we do to fix and solve that problem? These guys want a positive atmosphere. I know that when they come out here, they get to focus on something different. They get out here and it's almost a sense of doing something that they would do out in the free world. It's hey, I have a goal and I can accomplish that goal, and I know that I get that verbal recognition saying, hey, we did a good job, we made it. And in return, I think that they need that affirmation, that they know that at some point while they're here that they accomplish something that helps other people. And I think it's a combination of that inspires them to want to come out here and do better and help others.